OpenRock open-ear air conduction sport earbuds. You're having a laugh. Out with the devil. Warrior. Right, what have I got today? Well, I got these. These been sent to me by, what are they? One Audio, not One Audio, AU, One Audio, ODIO. Ooh. And these are the OpenRock S open ear conduction sports earbuds. And as it states, it's open ear. So the idea behind these are, unlike a closed back headphone or an earbud, it doesn't block out the sounds around you. So you can hear what's coming. So if a bus or a lorry are coming towards you, you can hear them. Or if someone's trying to sneak up and hit you on the back of the head with an inflatable guitar, it happens. You can hear them coming. Anyway, let's have a look. Okay, let's spark it open. Oh, what we got here? Oh, we got warning and cautions. Oh, then we got some instructions. Then we got how to charge. Got the charging box here and whatever. We'll have a look at that later. USB cable. And how to adjust them. There you go. Look at that. And we'll have a go at that later. I think you can adjust it back and forth here. Small, medium and large. So I go large lugs. Or I'll be on the L. Ooh. Okay. What else we got? Bit of sponge. Come on. Don't need that. So then we got, oh, do you know what? That's quite a nice case, that. That's not bad. Got a case there. Got your headphones here. Oh, that's magnetized. It's a magnetic, so it's magnetic. And do you know what? Like some of the, and it's labeled left and right. For those of you who don't know your left and right. But it's good because a lot of cases I've had in the past with the headphones, sometimes it's a little bit difficult to try and figure out which way they go in, but this is really easy. Really easy. There you go. There we are. Got that. Oh, it's got a little light on the front. Lights up. There you go. And this, it's got to be the charging cable here. Yeah, and looks like USB-C. Which is handy because I hate the old micro USB where you had to try and, which way is it? I don't know. Oh, I got it the wrong way again. Does my nut. Okay, let's have a look at the product description and some specs. So, who are open ear headphones suitable for? Let's have a look. Sports and outdoor activity enthusiasts. Oh, is that you? Open ear headphones have a better breathability and sweat resistance and can adapt to outdoor sports such as running, cycling and hiking. Music lovers who pursue natural sound quality, people with small sensitive ears and unhealthy ear canals. Ooh. People who need to remain surrounding awareness. Well, that makes a lot of sense. And people who need to wear headphones for long periods of time. Okay, I can see that. Now, let's have a little look here. So first of all, we got air conduction headphones. Open ear design, protect ear canal health, ear hook design for stable wearing, long battery life with a charging box. They're made of silicone, skin friendly, got ear hooks, we know that. Global exclusive titanium alloy with customizable fit. Speakers, we've got 16.2mm advanced biological diaphragm speakers. And then we got touch operation. We got 2 taps, to answer and hang up calls, to play and pause music. On the left, we got reject incoming call, previous track, next track. And to activate voice assistance, you tap it 3 times. Now, on here, this is what I didn't get, right? So it says here, hold both sides simultaneously for 2 seconds to switch sound effects between rock mode and relax mode. Which sounds pretty cool. Maybe rock mode's a bit more rocky and relax mode's more like, oh my God, it's so relaxing. Anyway, right. It says not available during phone calls or music playback. So if someone in the comments can enlighten me on that. So you've got rock mode, which is not available during music playback. There we are. Anyway, what else we got down here? Sit around your ear, keeping your inner ear open for enduring comfort during long listening lessons. What the hell am I talking about? Lessons? Sessions. You could wear them in lessons if you wanted to. Your teacher might not like it, or your tutor. Anyway, rock relax mode can't be used in music mode. Weird. Security and awareness. And this is what they're really made for. It's distinctive open ear design. Lets you to remain connected. Love the translation here. To the world, even while immersed in the music. It's IPX5 waterproof, so it'll probably, if it's pouring rain, you couldn't immerse them in water, but splashes, sweat, stuff like a light rain should be fine. And it's got noise cancellation, but it's got dual mic and AI algorithm effectively filters out a remarkable 98% of background noise. I think that's during the calls. So when you got incoming calls, it's got microphones on there, and it will filter out background noise when you're talking to someone on there. Rock your world. Anything else? Oh, so the earphones have 19 hours of charge on a full charge, plus charging case is 41 hours. That is mental. Okay, so with the charging case, OpenRock S headphones provide an impressive 60 hours of continuous uses on a single charge. That is pretty good. That is pretty good. Nothing much to see there. Tells you how to type them. They've got like this silicone thing here, which you can bend and rotate around to fit your ear, which is pretty cool. That worked for me. Give them a little bend here and there, and it fits your ear a little bit better. It's got Bluetooth 5.3, which is good, but I believe it's only AAC and SBC. Now, I would prefer to see a minimum of aptX or aptX HD, ideally LDAC or aptX adaptive. But there we are. I mean, I suppose for this application, I suppose AAC and SBC is okay. And then it just gives you what devices are compatible. Most Bluetooth devices support Bluetooth 3.1, include smartphones, tablets, computers, smartwatches. However, please note it may not be compatible with certain transmitters. Can I wear glasses? Well, I wear glasses. Certainly. The part that rests over your ears is so slim that you can hardly notice you wearing them. You're wearing them even when you have glasses on. And then we've already been over the battery life. And yes, OpenRock does have a dual mic, noise reduction and AI algorithm microphone so that you can answer and make a call with it. And apparently an open ear headphone reduces fatigue or pain, skin-friendly silicone, more suitable for sports activities. The upgraded directional air conduction technology can greatly reduce sound spillage. Don't want to spill your sound, do you? Nothing worse than that. They're cleaning up after you. So when you've got them adjusted properly, you put them here like that, over your ear. I still playing music from my phone in there. You put them over like that, and I gotta say, they stick to your ears like shit to a blanket. I tried everything to get them off, and they wouldn't come off. They really stay there. So you've got no problems at all with them coming off your ears. You see, I tried everything. Wouldn't come off. So anyway, how do they sound? Well, it's pros and cons with the sound. Obviously, being on the outside of your ear, you're not going to get a lot of bass. There's some bass there, but it's not great. And that's, that's par for the course with these headphones. You're not going to get any great bass from them. The bass is there, but it's not oomphy enough for me. The mid-range, pretty good. I like the mid-range. When it comes to the treble, treble was okay, just a little bit sibilant on times, a bit, and I think that's what happens when you have the speaker kind of sat outside your ear like that. It will happen. On the volume, they don't go super loud. What I found was once I got above 80% of my volume on my phone, they started to distort a bit. So about 75-80% is all you're going to get them to. That was loud enough for me, and it makes sense really, because the whole point of these is to hear ambient sounds, to hear your surroundings, around you, so you don't get splattered or hit on the head with an inflatable guitar, right? So it makes sense that they don't go too loud, because if they went too loud, then it would be completely pointless, wouldn't it? So about 80% is all you're going to get them to before they start going a bit funky. But for a running, cycling headphone, where you want to hear ambient sounds around you, they do a pretty good job. They're well made, loads of battery life, don't fall off your ears, and they sound okay for what they are. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comment section. I'll catch you in the next one.